Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Discover top agricultural machines like the Ploger AR4BX mower and Valentini Imperium 12,000 tiller. Stay tuned for more farm tech updates. The Maritractor MT7-700 Maricrusher MJHS311 DTX is a powerful multifunctional agricultural machine. It combines the features of a tractor and a rock crusher, efficiently breaking down stones, rocks, and debris while preparing the soil for planting. This machine enhances land quality, boosts productivity, and is ideal for various farming tasks, ensuring smoother operations and better crop yields. TMC Cancella is a versatile mulching machine designed for shredding and processing plant material. It effectively turns debris into mulch, improving soil quality and promoting better crop growth for sustainable farming. Savannah is a robust land clearing and vegetation management machine, designed to tackle dense brush, weeds, and small trees. It efficiently prepares land for farming, improving soil access and promoting better crop growth. The Savannah's durable design and powerful performance make it ideal for a variety of agricultural land maintenance tasks. KTC-1233 is a high-performance scraper used in agriculture for soil leveling, grading, and earth-moving tasks. With its large capacity and precision, it efficiently moves large amounts of soil, helping prepare the land for planting. The KTC-1233 is ideal for large-scale farming operations requiring efficient and durable equipment. Kaiser S2 Cross is a versatile and powerful mulching machine designed for clearing land and vegetation. It efficiently shreds bushes, trees, and undergrowth, turning them into mulch. This helps improve soil quality and prepares the land for farming, making it ideal for large-scale agricultural land management. Redefine is a high-performance winch designed for forestry and agricultural use. It efficiently pulls logs, trees, or heavy materials from difficult-to-reach areas. With its powerful engine and durable design, the Redefine is ideal for land clearing, timber extraction, and other tasks that require reliable and robust pulling power. Samson Gullifa's PG2 is a heavy-duty manure spreader designed for efficient and precise spreading of organic fertilizers. With its advanced spreading mechanism, it ensures even distribution across large fields. The machine's durable construction and high-capacity design make it ideal for large-scale farming operations, improving soil quality and promoting better crop yields through effective nutrient management. Maritractor OJK1 is a versatile soil preparation machine designed for tilling, leveling, and seedbed preparation. It effectively mixes the soil and incorporates organic material, improving soil structure and nutrient distribution. With its durable design and efficient operation, the Maritractor OJK1 is ideal for large-scale farming, ensuring optimal conditions for planting and enhancing crop yields. Fendt 939 Vario is a powerful, high-performance tractor designed for demanding agricultural tasks. Equipped with a robust engine and advanced Vario transmission, it provides excellent fuel efficiency and smooth handling. This tractor is ideal for plowing, cultivating, and heavy-duty operations. Its precision steering and user-friendly interface make it perfect for large-scale farming, ensuring maximum productivity. VRG is a versatile and efficient soil preparation machine used for deep tillage and land cultivation. It effectively breaks up compacted soil, improving aeration and water absorption for better crop growth. The VRG's durable construction and adjustable working depth make it suitable for various soil types, enhancing productivity and ensuring optimal soil conditions for planting. Orbital 02 is a high-performance cultivator designed for precise soil preparation. It efficiently breaks up compacted soil, mixes organic matter, and creates an ideal seedbed. The machine's adjustable working depth allows it to handle various soil types, improving aeration and water absorption. The Orbital 02 ensures optimal conditions for planting, enhancing crop yield and soil health. Stump Grinder TSG 1000 is a powerful machine designed for removing tree stumps and roots. It uses a high-speed rotating blade to grind stumps down to ground level, ensuring smooth land preparation for planting. Its durable construction and efficient operation make it ideal for clearing land, improving soil quality, and preparing fields for agriculture or construction. E-Crane is a highly efficient, electric-powered crane designed for agricultural and industrial use. It is used for handling large quantities of bulk materials such as grain, compost, and other products. The E-Crane offers precise control and powerful lifting capabilities, making it ideal for farming operations, improving productivity, and reducing operational costs with its environmentally friendly design. The bulldozer and anchor chain is a powerful piece of equipment used in land clearing and soil management. The bulldozer moves large amounts of earth, while the anchor chain helps in stabilizing and controlling the machine during operation. Together, they efficiently clear obstacles, prepare land for farming, and ensure smooth operations in challenging terrains. The Braca Planter P11 is a precision planting machine designed for forest and agriculture applications. It is used for planting seedlings in challenging terrains. The machine's adjustable planting depth ensures proper root placement, while its efficient design allows for high-speed operation. Ideal for reforestation and large-scale planting projects, the Braca Planter P11 improves planting efficiency and crop growth. The John Deere 6830 is a versatile, high-performance tractor designed for various farming tasks. Powered by a reliable engine, it offers excellent fuel efficiency and traction. With advanced hydraulics and a comfortable cabin, the 6830 is ideal for plowing, planting, and hauling, improving productivity on large-scale farms. The VS350 Vermeer is a high-performance vertical spindle shredder designed for vegetation management. It efficiently processes large amounts of organic material, such as branches and brush. The machine's powerful engine and durable design make it ideal for land clearing, improving soil health, and preparing land for farming or reforestation projects. The EcoAgarvester Celery Harvester is a specialized machine designed for efficient celery harvesting. It uses precision cutting tools to harvest celery with minimal damage, ensuring high-quality produce. The machine's adjustable settings allow it to handle varying field conditions, improving harvesting speed, reducing labor costs, and increasing productivity in celery farming. The PRF240 is a powerful rotary tiller designed for soil preparation. It effectively breaks up compacted soil, improving aeration and structure, making it ideal for preparing fields for planting. The Vermeer RTX 1250 is a powerful, high-performance trencher designed for heavy-duty tasks. It efficiently digs trenches for irrigation, utilities, and other underground installations. Equipped with a durable track system, it ensures excellent traction and stability on various terrains, making it ideal for construction and agricultural applications requiring precision and reliability. The Hottig cable plow is a versatile machine used for trenching and laying cables or pipes. Its powerful digging system allows it to create precise trenches in various soil types. Ideal for agricultural and utility applications, the Hottig cable plow ensures efficient, cost-effective installation with minimal soil disruption. The Plöger AR4BX is a high-performance mower conditioner designed for hay and forage production. It efficiently cuts and conditions grass, preparing it for drying and baling. Its durable design and adjustable settings ensure consistent performance in various field conditions, making it ideal for large-scale agricultural operations. The Valentini Imperium 12000 is a high-performance rotary tiller designed for large-scale farming. It efficiently tills and conditions soil, improving structure and aeration, making it ideal for preparing land for planting. The VDM is a versatile agricultural machine used for soil cultivation and land preparation. It effectively breaks up compacted soil, improves aeration, and ensures better seedbed conditions, enhancing crop growth and maximizing farming productivity. The Kaiser S8 all-road walking excavator is a versatile machine designed for challenging terrain. It efficiently moves over rough landscapes, ideal for forestry, agricultural tasks, and land clearing, offering high stability and precise digging in various conditions. The PowerTrack Flory is a versatile, tracked vehicle designed for orchard and vineyard work. It offers excellent traction and stability on uneven ground, helping with tasks like spraying, harvesting, and soil cultivation. The Bombardier is a versatile all-terrain vehicle used in agriculture for tasks like spraying, transporting, and clearing land. It offers excellent mobility, stability, and performance on rough or uneven surfaces. The Ultra Airblast sprayer is designed for efficient pesticide and fertilizer application. It uses powerful air blasts to distribute chemicals evenly over crops, ensuring thorough coverage. Ideal for orchards and large fields, it improves efficiency and reduces chemical waste. The Foray is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for soil preparation, especially in vineyards and orchards. It features adjustable tines that efficiently till soil, improving aeration and root growth. Its robust design allows for precise control, making it ideal for cultivating between rows, enhancing soil structure, and promoting healthy crops. The ITD Barracuda is a versatile and powerful tractor designed for various agricultural tasks. With its high-performance engine and durable design, it efficiently handles tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. Its excellent maneuverability and stability make it ideal for large-scale farms, improving productivity and reducing labor costs.